If your Ford Ranger refuses to turn over, don't panic, as most starting issues stem from simple electrical or fuel faults. Statistically, 7 out of 10 no-start cases are solved just by checking the battery voltage or cleaning corroded terminals. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to pinpoint exactly what is preventing your engine from firing up. Start by confirming your battery connection is solid and scanning for any hidden fault codes stored in the ECU. If the battery is healthy, the problem often shifts to a failing starter motor or a simple blown relay in the fuse box. Don't forget the fuel system. Listen for that faint hum of the fuel pump when you turn the ignition to on. Simple electrical resets are easy DIY tasks, but internal fuel pump or timing issues usually require a professional technician's tools. This chart shows the average cost difference between replacing a standard lead-acid battery versus a deeper fuel system component. For advanced troubleshooting, pull out your multimeter to confirm that power is actually reaching the starter signal wire. Keep a basic scan tool and a multimeter in your truck. They are the most powerful tools for any Ford Ranger owner. A quick reminder, if you hear grinding, stop immediately to avoid causing expensive damage to your engine's flywheel. Take your time with the diagnostics and remember to always disconnect the battery before working on electrical components.